How to add logo or image in Lovable. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, you'll learn how you can add image or logo in Lovable. In case you've been wondering how you can do this, it is very simple, so kindly watch this video to the end. First step is to log in into your Lovable account just like I have done here, and this is how it looks like. Alright, by scrolling down, you'd see all of your projects, including templates that you can make use of on Lovable. In order to add an image or a logo, move to the box, all right, the message box, and then move to the bottom part of the box where you can see options like plus, attach, public, super base, which are your integrations, and then the model of your Lovable. Next thing to do is to click on the plus icon here. All right, by clicking on the plus icon, you have the option for you to import from Figma. That's not what we want, so move to the right side and click on attach. All right, remember, click on attach, and then you will be asked to a mini box to be displayed asking you to add images or dismiss. So click add images, and then your computer will be displayed. Devices in your computer will be displayed rather. So once they are displayed, the next option will be for you to locate the image that you would like to add. Okay, the image, click open, and then the image should be slowly added to the account. The next step would be for you to type in a prompt. All right, depending on your mission. Okay, and then move to the bottom right corner and click the upward arrow. Then you wait for your website to be created. All right, depending on the prompts you gave Lovable and the image, you can use this to upload image, you can use this to upload your logo, mockups, templates that can help you to create a website on Lovable. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.